In this video, we're going to learn all about vectors. So let's start with the definition. What is a vector? Well, it's going to be a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. We generally will draw it as an arrow. The magnitude is the length of the arrow, and the direction, of course, is the direction the arrow is pointing. Now, there are a couple of different ways we can write vectors. We can do it like 3i plus 4j, or we can write it vertically with the closed brackets, 3, 4. Or we can use my favorite strategy, which is 3, 4 in the arrow brackets. So that is kind of my go-to, and that's the one I will use in the rest of this video. However, these other two options are also pretty commonly used, so you might see any of them. Now, let's see if we can draw this example vector I've mentioned, 3, 4. To do that, we're going to start by plotting a point at the center of the graph, 0, 0. If they tell you to plot somewhere else, you will start wherever they tell you. However, if they don't give you something specific, we start with 0, 0. So now that we've done that, we're going to start by identifying our horizontal component, which you can see here is 3. It's the first number. Now, because it's a positive 3, we're going to count to the right 3. Now, our second number in our vector is 4. That's the vertical component. It is also positive, so we will count up 4. At that point, we can plot a new point, and we can connect the first point to the second point using an arrow. This is now the vector 3, 4. Let's try another problem. What about -5, -2? Well, we're going to still plot that point at 0, 0 as our start. Then we identify the horizontal component, which is the first number. So you see that's -5. Because it's a negative, we're going to count to the left 5 this time. The second number, -2, is the vertical component. Because it's negative, we will count down 2. We'll plot that second point and connect the two dots with an arrow. That gives us our vector, -5, -2. I hope that was a helpful introduction to vectors.